Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. We can track the calories in few ways on this watch. The first way is to do it on the watch face. So if you wake up the screen, some of the watch faces display the calories burned. As you can see, this one doesn't, but you can always open the watch face menu. So press and hold the up button, tap on watch face. Then you can scroll through the list of watch faces, look for the one that displays the info. And if you don't see anything, you can tap on add new. And here you can scroll through the list of templates and look for something that displays the calories burned. I can't find anything, to be honest, but that's not the problem. You can select the one you like, press start to add it, and once you add it, you can press start, and here you can tap on data, and then you can adjust the data displayed on your watch face. So you can tap on one, swipe up and down on the screen, scroll through the list, and look for the calories. Oh, here we have it. I'm gonna set it to every data pool so we can so we're gonna be sure that we're not missing our calories burned, like this. Okay, and then we can press the back button and then tap on apply, and the watch face was applied. And as you can see, here we have our calories burned, and we won't miss it because we have after all 3 pulls of them. Okay, another way to check it is to open the glances menu. And to open the glances menu, once you're on the home screen, the current watch face, you can basically swipe up on the screen. It will open the glances menu, and here you can scroll through this list. By default, the calories won't be there, but you can tap on edit, add, and then look for calories. Once you find them, tap on them, they will be the calories will be added to the list, and then you can press back button a couple of times to go back to glances menu, and now on the glances menu you will see the calories burned, and you can tap on them to see more detailed info right here. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to check that info. So if we bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. Here you can scroll down through the home page, and you should see calories burned right here under the category called at a glance, and you can tap on them to see the calories burned. You can check the daily, weekly, 4 weeks, and 1 year progression. So you have a lot more detailed information than on the watch. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.